You know, there are 7 books of prime entry: purchase journal, purchase return journal, sales journal, sales returns journal, cash book, petty cash book, and general journal. Today in this lesson we will discuss purchase journal and purchases returns journal. We have a practical question here which is taken from Cambridge IGCSE first paper. So let us have a look at the question. Nakul is a trader. He buys and sells goods on credit. He buys most of his supplies from one supplier, Nadia, who allows Nakul a trade discount of 20%. The following transactions took place in January 2020. Okay, so here we have 7 transactions. These 7 transactions we will include here in this purchase journal and purchase returns journal. Okay, so what is our first transaction here? January 2 paid $441 by check to Nadia in full settlement of $450 owed to her at 1st January 2022. Okay, this transaction will not be here. This will go to the cash book and Nadia's account. Okay, so today we will do only books of prime entry, purchase journal and purchase returns journal. Okay, the next transaction is here. January 12 bought goods on credit from Nadia. List price is $350. Okay, bought means purchase. Don't forget, purchase related transactions will be here in the purchase journal and purchase returns related transactions will be here in the purchase returns journal. Okay, so look at the format here. We have a date, details, dollar. These 2 dollar columns we have just to facilitate our calculations. Okay, here we will write the date which are given with the transactions. Here details, we will write the supplier name here. Okay, so January 12 it is purchase related transaction, right? Bought goods. Okay, so we will write here on the purchase journal. Okay, so let us write the date first, 2022 January 12. Okay, so we will write here the supplier name. Okay, who is the supplier? Supplier is here Nadia. So we will write here Nadia's name. Okay, so let us write here Nadia, the supplier. Okay, the price, the list price of the transaction is $350. Okay, so we will write here 350 on the first dollar column. Okay, why on the first dollar column? Because we have here trade discount which is 20%. It is written in the question. Okay, now what to do about trade discount? So we will simply subtract trade discount from the list price. Okay, don't forget, always we will do same thing. If we see any trade discount with the transaction, we must deduct. Okay, so here let us write less or minus trade discount. So list price is here 350 times 20%, right? The discount. Okay, so now if we multiply 20% by 350, what is your answer? We get here $70. Okay, this is the amount of trade discount we need to subtract. Okay, now if we subtract $70 from the list price $350, we get here $280. Okay, so first transaction is done. Okay, so next transaction is January 14. Hello student, returned faulty goods to Nadia. List price is $80. Okay, we will record here on the purchase returns journal. Okay, so what to do? We need to write the date first. Okay, date is 2022 and we will write here January 14. Okay, so same thing, we need to write the supplier name. Supplier is here Nadia, so let us write here Nadia. Okay, the list price is here on the question $80. We will write here on the first dollar column because we have calculation, we have trade discount to be subtracted. Okay, so now let us write here 20% trade discount, so minus or less, whatever you prefer. So trade discount. So here the list price is 80 times rate of discount is 20%. Okay. So now if we multiply, if we do calculation here, what do we get? We get here $16, right? Okay, so let us write here $16. Well, if we subtract the $16 from 18, we get here $64. Okay, so this is the final price for this transaction on January 14. Okay, so what do you have next? We have here January 18, bought goods on credit from Nadia, list price is $400. Now tell me where to include this transaction, here or here? Yes, it will be here, purchase return journal, because it is a purchase related transactions. Many students make mistake. You write purchase transactions here and purchase return transactions here. These are incorrect. Okay, so try to understand perfectly so you can answer this type of questions in your exam or test properly. Okay, so now here we have next transaction January 18. So let us write the date first, January 18. So same thing with the supplier. Supplier was Nadia. Let us write here Nadia. Okay, the list price of the transaction was $400. Okay, now what to do? Now we need to subtract trade discount, okay, which is 20%. So let us write here minus or less trade discount. So we will write here 400 times 20%. So if we multiply here, we get $80 discount, right? So if we subtract $80 from 400, we get here $320. Okay, so this is done. Okay, what do you have next? We have here January 23, sold goods on credit $800. Sold goods on credit. Okay, think now, we will include these transactions here. No, we will not include this transaction because it is a sales related transactions. We will take it to sales journal, okay, not purchase journal or purchase returns journal. Now you might be thinking, why this transaction is given here? This is given just to confuse you, just to check your understanding. You write proper transaction in right place or not. Okay, so let us ignore it. What is next? It is here 29, January 29, bought goods on credit $60 from Sophie. Okay, bought goods, again purchase related transaction. So we will include here on the purchase journal. Okay, supply name is here Sophie. Okay, so let us write here January 29. We will write here Sophie. Okay, the list price of the transaction is $60. Okay, so let us write here 60. Okay, now my question, why I wrote this $60 here, this amount here? Why not here? Why we did not subtract trade discount? So why we did not subtract trade discount? Because on the question it is clearly written that the discount will be applicable if supplier is here Nadia. Okay, Sophie did not allow trade discount, but Nadia allows trade discount. That is the reason we subtracted trade discount from Nadia's list price. Okay, so this is over. What is our next transaction? January 30, returned goods to Sophie $9. Okay, now it is a return related transaction, so we will include here on the purchase returns journal. Okay, so let us write the date first, January 30. We will write here supplier name Sophie. Okay, so what is the price here? It is $9, right? So same here, we have no discount, we have no trade discount because Sophie does not allow trade discount. Okay, directly we will write this amount to the outer dollar column. Okay, here. So over we listed all the transaction. Okay, now what to do? Now we need to total the journal books. Okay, it is our requirement written on the question. So well, if we total, if we sum up, what we get here $660. Yeah, okay, so this is the total of purchase journal. Now we need to write something here. What to write? Let us have a look at the requirement once again. What to do? Here it is written that prepare the purchases journal for January 2022. We already prepared. Then it is written that total the journal we totaled and indicate the ledger account to which the total would be posted. So now we need to transfer this total to somewhere. Okay, we need to indicate which ledger account this amount will be posted. Okay, so we are doing purchase journal. So total of purchase book or purchase journal will appear to the purchase account. Okay, so let us write here purchase account. So we will write transfer to purchase account. Okay, so date will be the last day of the month. Okay, so here it is January, month of January. Last day of this month will be here January 31st, right? So let us write a date January 31st. Okay, so point to be noted, we wrote here transfer to purchase account. We did not write transfer to purchase journal. We did not write transfer to purchase book. Purchase book or journal is completely different. Purchase account, it is a nominal account. Okay, we will take it to the purchase account, purchase ledger, to calculate the total expense for the purchase. Okay, so now same thing we will do here for the purchase returns journal. Okay, so if we sum up here, we get $73. Yeah, so let us write here, draw a line, closing line. So the totals is $73. Okay, so what to write here? We will write, guess what we will write? Transfer to what? Purchase returns account. Okay, not purchases returns journal. Okay, it will be here account, nominal account. Okay, so date will be here same. The last day of the month, it is 31st. Okay, so many of you make mistake here. You write purchase transfer to purchase returns journal. Okay, but it is incorrect. Next class, next tutorial, I will show you how to prepare a nominal ledger. Okay, I will show how to prepare journal for Nadia, a supplier.